Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to Review Radar. In this video, in a very straightforward and fast manner, I will show you how you can create a PDF file on your phone. So in my case, I'm using Android phone and I'm going to be using one app, which is Google Drive. And in here, as you can see, I just have a sample file of my just the usual text from some manual or something like that. So in order to make a PDF file, you just click on your file, open it, three dots at the top, scroll down, press on print, and as you can see on the top left we have a button Save as PDF. Press on that button and press on Save as PDF. Or you can just press on the button right there on the top right where it says PDF and arrow down. After that you will be taken to your phone's storage where you would like to save your PDF file. And that's how it's done. Very easy and straightforward. Guys, if this video helped you, press the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.